Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe and positive out there. Yes, today is my birthday. It is the 8th of August and I'm about to buy some cryptos such as XRP, XDC, Quant, and of course some other ones here, Hedera, and I may have found another crypto gem, all right, which is partnered with Quant. Bullish as anything. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. Yes, I'm wearing my Peaky Blinders hat today because I'm feeling bullish. Anyway, massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. We are just getting started in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people because the YouTube algorithm absolutely loves when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. All right, so give it a good old thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. You guys rock. Thank you very much. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose, but you can lose money like that, especially in the crypto world. All right, so please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Yes, it is my birthday today, and I asked my awesome community, which crypto should I buy? XRP 70% yes, Quant 16%, Hedera 6%, XDC at 6%, and others. Comment below. And I just want to say a massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you. Look, I'm going to like all these comments for your birthday wishes. That's awesome. You guys absolutely rock. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. There you go. I'm actually liking every single one of these right now. So thank you guys. I read all your comments literally every single day. All right. George, by the way, just a shout out, picked up one of the coins I'm talking about today. So if you've seen that, we're going to get into that, all right, because it's a gem. It's another gem that I've put into the banking coins, all right? Obviously, thank you. Nope, thank you very much, everyone. Yes, I'm doing all the liking right now live on the video right here. There you go. All right. So again, thank you very much. Also, guys, I know I put so many videos up about it, but obviously yesterday and literally the last few days, my DMs in Instagram and TikTok and on Twitter have gone absolutely insane. There are scam accounts actually messaging people. Again, my official Instagram and social media usernames are below. You can see them right there. Please check the spelling. Make sure that they are correct. Again, my Instagram is at the Wall Street Bull Oz, spelt with an O and a Z. Again, if they're anything different from that, I know there was one scammer out there that changed it to a 0 to make it look like me. It's not me. All right, I keep telling everyone, I keep warning everyone, please do not engage with these scammers. A few people have literally come this close to losing like thousands of dollars. I don't want to see that happen, all right? And I've messaged, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube to verify my accounts. Obviously, they have not listened, but, I just don't want to see anyone get scammed out of these stupid, Instagram fake profiles and stuff, all right? So please avoid them at all costs, all right? I can only warn people so much to the point where it's just getting ridiculous now, and I'm getting so many comments, but my official links are below. All right, check the spelling. They have to be exactly spelled as per below. All right, there you go. So I just want to give everyone a warning. All right, let's move on now. Coinspot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. Let's have a look at these prices today. There is a referral link below for Coinspot. If you use that, you will get $10 in Bitcoin. Of course, with anything, do your own research and due diligence. All these prices are in Australian dollars, just to clarify. And again, I put everything else to USD to cater for everybody around the world because I know there's a lot of viewers around the world as well. So let's go through my projects. Obviously, now my microphone is going so loud, but I'm just going to bring that down. There you go. Anyway, these are my favorite projects on Coinspot. We'll go through everything. You've got Bitcoin sitting at $34,000 today, Australian. It has been holding quite nicely, all right, above the 30K mark, which is really good. You've got Ethereum at 2,500. You've got XRP at 55 cents right now, which is an incredible gem. We've got some news about XRP as well. And David Schwartz coming out telling everyone that it's bigger than XLM, which is nice. You've got Cardano at 78 cents. You've got Solana at $60. Polkadot's at $13. Dogecoin is at 10 cents right now. You've got AVAX at $41. Matic at $1.35. Some interesting stuff about that. I believe Coca-Cola is going to be releasing some sort of NFTs on Matic, so we'll keep an eye on that as well. Not that I'm bullish on Coca-Cola. It's very bad for you. All right, stay away from the sugar. You've got Near Protocol at $7. You've got XLM, Stellar at 18 cents. I'm still incredibly bullish on Stellar XLM, all right? It's another banking coin, so we can't let that one go. Algorand's at 53 cents. You've got VeChain at 4 cents, incredibly cheap. BTT, I've got a decent bag of that. It's up 0.69%. You've got ICP up 1.22%. Moving down to some other favorites, you've got Sandbox at $1.97. Theta's at $2.50. HBAR's at 11 cents, which is incredible. Axie Infinity's right behind it, ladies and gentlemen, at $27. You've got Quant at 6% up today, which is really nice, to $190. So again, I bought this below 80. Everyone knows that. I told everyone about it, and I did, and I wish I had to put a hell of a lot more money into it, but everything's always good in hindsight. Anyway, moving on to my other favorites here. You've got IOTA up 1.56% today to 51 cents. The Graph's at 19 cents today. Neo's at $17. Go back to its all-time high, please. I need my money back. Luna Classic is up, down slightly, 0.06% today. Moving down, you've got Rose up 25% today to 15 cents. Some other favorites of mine, of course, are Gala at 9 cents right now. And of course, my other favorite here is XDC up 3.23% to 4 cents, which is nice. Now, this is the coin that I want to show everybody. It's ALBT. Alliance block right here at 9 cents, up 7.97% today. This is partnered with Quant. Incredibly bullish. All right, so we'll get into what it is now. Let's go to Crypto Bubbles to see what's happening in the markets. On the day, of course, you've got Rose absolutely pumping 24%. 23% on the week. You've got 106% on the month, which is crazy. On the year, it's up 21%. Now, if you go back to its all-time high, it was at 54 cents. So to buy this at 10 cents is actually quite nice, all right? So again, 106% on the month is absolutely insane. You've got Flow as well, up 12% today. Its all-time high was at $25. I'm not invested in Flow, of course. Link is definitely one for my portfolio I need to add. I haven't actually done that because I've been so heavily focused on my ISO 222 coins. 6.8% on the day, 8.3% on the week, 27% on the month. Its all-time high was at $35. Every crypto right now is at a discount. All right, people have to understand that. Everything is at a discount. You are buying things at like 50 to 60, if not 80% off. All right, so that's the way I look at things, because again, I was buying these at the peak of the market and just dollar cost averaging. But I mean, you know, Quant was just going crazy at that point in time. But look at that. $376 USD, and obviously now it's priced at 127 USD. Look at the Aussie dollar, just to mind you the price difference. It's selling at $190 on Coinspot and 127 on other exchanges, just USD. Mind-blowing. We lose so much money here in Australia, it's ridiculous. On the day, it's up 5.1%. You've got on the week 23%. You've got obviously 103% on the month. So let me know in the comments where you would get a return of 103% in any other traditional investment. It just would not happen, all right? And that's the reason why I'm so bullish on crypto. Anyway, moving on. David Schwartz has come out swinging against some dude that basically put up a photo of a license plate in the United States. So he believes, and he said, you know, Ripple is bigger than Stellar Lumens right here, which again, I think it is anyway, but they're both on the same par right here. You know, XLM is virtually a fork of Ripple, straight up. So Schwartz, who helped in founding XRP Ledger, reacted to a post on Twitter where the image of the Connecticut's XRP.XLM license plate was captioned. What called Ripple CTO's attention was that the dot is separated XRP and XLM on the license plate right here. And obviously this is getting into some really nerdy shit, right? Well, excuse me, language right here, but the nerdy stuff right here. Again, that's greater than. So reacting to the message on the license plate, Schwartz noted that the dot separating the ticker should be replaced by greater than, indicating his certainty that XRP is greater than XLM. I remember that from maths class. Anyway, moving on, the crypto user showing the love for both XRP and XLM tweeted, "What do you guys think of my new license plate? Just to show my love for my two favorite assets." There's nothing wrong with that. But I'm just stating facts right here that Ripple and XRP is going to be bigger than XLM. It's going to be the biggest, you know, project on the planet. All right, it's facts, as well as Quant. I'm extremely bullish on quant. Anyway, moving on to some other news right here. XRP holders await SEC Ripple court ruling that could deliver 50 cents USD. So, on Friday, XRP rose by 1.43%. Despite the second consecutive session on the green, XRP continued to fall short of the week high of 39 cents. The SEC vs Ripple updates took a backseat as investors responded to the US economic indicators that eased fears of the US economic recession. So the technical indicators remain bullish, with XRP sitting above the 50-day EMA, which is nice as well. So keep an eye on this, all right? So we could see Ripple and, XRP absolutely go parabolic. I mean, it's clear as daylight that the judge, doesn't take any more of the SEC's BS. And I think we're going to see some positive rulings in Ripple's favor. So again, we should see some price movements in XRP. But again, I'm long-term, all right? I'm long-term. You have to think long-term. Now, Mark Cuban explains why the SEC stance on crypto is incredibly hypocritical, and we all know this right here. So the SEC is incredibly hypocritical. They talk about trying to protect investors. You guys know what pink sheets are. I just looked at this yesterday because 2 days ago, because someone asked me, there are 16,750 pink sheet stocks, probably about the same, the number of tokens. There is no protection for anybody anywhere coming from the SEC. And that already falls under their purview right here. So they're supposed to be protecting you. Obviously, there are funds, ETFs, and others that incorporate stocks from countries that have no SEC-like protections at all. They don't care. You can still buy them and sell them. There are companies that are bought and sold on big exchanges that have no audit rights whatsoever. You don't have any idea if the numbers are accurate. And so when the SEC comes in and says they want to protect investors from crypto, they're not even doing their job with the area they're supposed to do their job right now. So, and then you've got the issue of their approach to trying to figure it out. The SEC does this thing called regulation through litigation, which is just what's happening with Ripple right now. Meaning they don't come out and say that obviously here's the rules that they want everybody to follow, give us your comments. They do what they did in the with Coinbase. They sue. And then they'll sue you, and their hope is to result of the lawsuit that then turns into precedent, and they're able to use it and enforce it the way they want to enforce it right now. So again, basically litigation by enforcement, or regulation by enforcement. This is what happens. So again, he's right. Mark Cuban's right, but we all knew this. I'm just pointing out facts. Now, I just wanted to show you how ridiculous this is. Tiffany sells out 250 NFTs for about $50,000 each. I mean, come on. $50,000 for a Tiffany NFT right here. I mean, what is the utility of this? Nothing. Look at Ripple's NFTs in relation to actual physical, titles for land. That's what I love about NFTs. Stupid stuff like this is just ridiculous. So, Tiffany sold out of 250 NFTs in about 20 minutes on Friday for around $50,000 each. The current floor price for the NFTs trading down at around $46,000 each, according to NFT Go. So people who bought at $50,000 have immediately lost nearly $5,000. That's just ridiculous. Anyway, don't be caught up with that BS. Lamborghini production hit with 18 months backlog amid heavy demand. So those saying when Lambo, you're going to be waiting an additional 18 months, all right? So again, just wanted to give you an update on that. Anyway, moving on. Kevin O'Leary details mega opportunity for early crypto investors. Says institutional demand for Bitcoin is nearly insatiable right here. Insatiable. So people want to get into Bitcoin and crypto. So Kevin O'Leary says a massive opportunity for Bitcoin could start to materialize in the coming months. In a new interview, the crypto Jeb O'Leary says the floodgates will open for Bitcoin if BTC gets adequate compliance infrastructure in sovereign fund level, which again would be crazy. So the mega opportunity for Bitcoin, and why I stay long and why I continue to allocate to Bitcoin, is when we get policy and institutions can allocate to it, sovereign wealth and pension institutions, they'll probably put 50 basis points, which is half of 1%, up to 1% into Bitcoin. And that's obviously where you're going to break out of this range right now. How high? Nobody knows, because the demand is almost insatiable right here. So again, most large institutions want a position in crypto. Think about it. We are before the big boys. This is why I love crypto, ladies and gentlemen. We are early. Now, Alliance Block. all right, is a project I just mentioned before. Albt is available on Coinspot and many other exchanges. So Quant Network is pleased to announce that they are partnering with Alliance Block, an AI-powered decentralized investment and financing ecosystem which allows corporates to quickly, cheaply, and safely raise funds, whether it be be equity, debt, or tokens right now. So again, the new partnership allows Alliance Block to offer Quant Network's Overledger solution to blockchain projects and SMEs listed on Alliance Block platform, which is incredible. There are major limitations to the current blockchain technology, and Overledger provides a unique solution by making interoperability between different blockchains very easy and straightforward, which is nice right here. Keep an eye on this right now. So this is Gilbert Viridian, founder and CEO of Quant Network. We are excited to partner with Alliance Block so that we can jointly help foster innovation and expand the blockchain ecosystem right here. Keep an eye on this. Again, I've seen so many comments about it. I'm incredibly bullish. I've added it to my watch list, and I will probably throw in a few $100 into this, if not a few thousand. We'll see how we go, because I think it's incredibly bullish. Now, cryptometer.io, let's see where the money has been flowing, and then we'll get into Twitter, and then we'll end up on that. You've got in the last day, money's been going to BNB, Ethereum, Cardano, AVAX, DOT, obviously bullish on Polkadot, Link, you've got XMR, Monero, Rune. What else we've got here? B2N and Phantom. Of course, you've got Rose, Matic, BCH, USDT, of course, BTC. Nice to see money flowing into these projects, of course. Where is XRP? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Now, my world OTC trading platform right here, insanely bullish, 4,917 USDT, which is just ridiculous. You can see it's now making 130 USDT per day every 8 hours, which is just insane. Again, I'm using the iMacro script linked below. Everything is free. You don't need to obviously pay for any of that. And guys, with this, it's high risk, high reward. I started out with 199 USDT. I've taken that out. I'm letting this compound at 3.2% per day using the iMacro script. All right. If you are not using that iMacro script, you will not make 3.2% per day. You will make 0.4% per day. And again, I'll end up taking some money out of this now and just investing it into some of my favorite cryptos. That's what I'm planning on doing. And again, just compounding this at 3.2% per day is just insane. So high risk, high reward. I can't guarantee this platform will be around, for a certain amount of time. I don't know. I just threw in some spare USDT I had in my 3Commas trading bot into this because my bots were doing nothing. They were like 80 to 90% down anyway. So I pulled it out, threw it into this, took a risk, and it's going crazy. You need to set up an account, obviously verify with your ID, set up your Google Authenticator because, that's what you'll need to withdraw the funds. But again, with this stuff, please never invest more than you can afford to lose. It's extremely risky, all right? So I threw in a small amount and I'm growing it at the moment. So hopefully I'll cash out some profits in the next few days, all right? And put that into some other investments. Now, let's go to Twitter. There's a lot happening there, of course. Yes, this is my website, thewallstreetbullofficial.com. You can go and buy some merch. Go and have a look at that. Use the code MOON10. Now, just in relation to Quant, have a look at this, right? Quant with a market cap of BTC on Bitcoin, Quant will be valued at $32,000. Look at this. Quant with a market cap of Ethereum, $15,000. XRP, $1,346. Market cap of Solana, $1,032. Market cap of Doge, $680. This is in US dollars. Market cap of AVAX, $553. Market cap of Polkadot, $720. Market cap of Cardano, $1,306. Market cap of BNB, $3,801 USD. I mean, it's just mind-blowing. Buying this at $190 Australian or 120 USD, why not? I mean, it's just insane. I mean, look at the returns that could happen. It's just a matter of time. And ALBT, I will say, thank you, Just Jeremiah Crypto. I will say that I didn't know ALBT, and I didn't know was utilizing Hedera and Consensus Services and Quant Overledger. Bullish as anything. So again, I'm definitely involved with that one now. I'm going to be putting some money into that. Last week about Quant today, last tweet, sorry. Thank you, Nagato, for this one. But think about this. In 2023 or 2030, no one will give an F if you bought Quant At $40, $80, $100, or $200, you will look like a genius no matter what, and that's facts. Play the long game. Wrath of Kenneman right here. There has been some intriguing events occurring with SBI and SBI Remit in relation to Ripple investor and ODL user, respectively. Here is a brief attempting to piece them together. Warning, I'm trying to find the narrative here, not a propound one right here. Japan's SBI's option to take Shinsei Bank private. Again, keep an eye on SBI, man. They're doing a lot with Ripple, all right? So today, the US Senate passed a $740 billion Inflation Reduction Act to battle inflation by printing more money. Crazy stuff right there. God, stop printing money. It's not going to help. You got Riaz, thank you for this tweet here. David Schwartz, we have the technology to settle with every and any institution in seconds for less than a penny. Have a listen to Schwartzy.
We have the technology to allow every financial institution on the planet to settle with every other financial institution in a compatible jurisdiction in any asset in seconds for less than a penny. Just think about this. Anyone who's made a payment knows that we're nowhere near that today. But imagine every financial institution settling with every other financial institution in seconds for less than a penny, any asset. That's fundamentally transformative. We have the technology to do it. Now we just need to figure out how to drive the adoption. And of course, there's all the challenges with there's incumbents, there's regulation, there's inertia. You know, there's the big players who are really trying to defend. You know, if you're one of the largest banks in the world, you want to push pause or stop on technology because you're in the lead. So of course, like you say you love technology, but obviously you wish you could stop it. So.
Exactly. The big boys want to stop technology. Why? Because it's going to get in their way. Facts. Now, this is interesting. CoinHub. So, Fidelity compares gold versus Bitcoin versus fiat based on first principles of good money. Look at Bitcoin. Durable, divisible, fungible, portable, verifiable, scarce, track record right here. So, that is the only negative in relation to Bitcoin. All right, and you've obviously got gold. It's durable, divisible. Sorry, no, it's not. If you're buying gold bars, it's an absolute pain in the back to get that, devised up. Portable, no. Verifiable, no. Just crazy. Bitcoin is the king. We all know that as facts right now. Riaz, XRP missed the last bull run thanks to the SEC. Just wait till this case is over. That is facts. We are primed right now. Bitcoin, the 5th grade bull run starts, and we are primed and ready right here for the next bull run. All right, we're going to see some pretty crazy stuff. I mean, look at the uptrends right here. Look at that, crazy. From 2012, it just went mental. 2015, obviously 2014, the last bull run, it went absolutely parabolic. You can see 2016, 2017, 2018. That was a major bull run right here. You got 2019, obviously dropped, pumped a little bit, obviously, to 2020. 2021 was absolutely crazy. And this year, it's just been all over the place. But again, we are ready for an uptrend, all right? Stay tuned for that. Moving down, Quant is rising in the ranks. That is truth. Tim Draper was spot on. Have a listen to him with Gary Gensler right here, and we'll end up on this.
Or lose market share and somebody else is going to do better, faster.
I can't stand this dude. He's an alien for sure.
Serve their clients better than JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs.
You can just hear the bankers panicking right now.
But what
Just
what
feel
line,
the panic in their voices. But here's what always happens. The first thing that happens is they try to go, oh, it's nothing. And they did that. I mean, that's with every new industry, every new technology comes along, the powers that be, the incumbents, the status quo, all say, it's nothing. Don't ignore the man behind the curtain. This is nothing. And then all of a sudden it's too big to get in there. They're going, oh my God, I got to face this thing. And then they all line up and they wrap their arms together and they say, we're not letting this happen. And then it keeps going. And then they say, okay, well, let's sue them. Or let's go get the government.
There's another thing they do. They adopt the technology. I think.
No, that's at the end.
They will adopt this technology.
No, this is the last thing they do. No,
yeah, it's
after the press planting. They plant the press stories. They put out lawsuits. They create as much of a fuss as possible. They try to get their government friends involved. And then they go, oh, God, this thing's happening.
Look at that, Gensler's face. Anyway, that's just exactly what Gensler is doing right here. All right, so that's facts. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 30 right now. Moving down, you've got the total crypto market is at 1.15 trillion. And this is interesting as well. Thank you, Riz. I love your tweets, mate. Entering $1 trillion in total estimated daily transaction volume at 100 billion XRPs in circulation right now. Values XRP at 47 US dollars. And that would just be life-changing for a lot of people right here. So total estimate right here, 1 trillion. Average time between transactions per one XRP is 5. You can see that right there. Store of value in USD in trillions, 1 trillion right here. You can see it. Backs, 47.01 XRP. This is just the beginning, all right? Crazy stuff. Now, let's go to CoinMarketCap because I need to go and have a birthday coffee right now. You've got 1.1 trillion exactly today, which is nice. $41 billion in volume. It's incredibly low. This is what I mean by I love buying on the, the Monday morning here in Australia, Sunday evening in the United States. Why? Because it's very quiet. Literally the only coins that I'm looking at the moment, ladies and gentlemen, are these ones right here. XRP, Stellar, Algorand, Hedera, Quant at $126 is insanely cheap. IOTA, 34 cents. XDC and Alliance Block now has been added. Why? Because he's partnered with Hedera and Quant. And at 6 cents, another gem right here. Its total supply is 1 billion. Circulating is 232 billion. And of course, look at this. Described to provide a bridge between traditional and digital capital markets for all participants, reflecting how traditional finance would be designed today with the current technology. Again, keep an eye on Alliance Block. I'm not paid by these platforms or any crypto company for that matter. I just like them because they're partnered with my favorite coins. So it's a no-brainer for me. I will be buying ALBT, all right? Today, let me know in the comments below. And again, we'll speak to you tomorrow. Have a good night. Peace out. Stay safe. Bye.